My video tutorial about video tutorials. Here I am on my Macintosh at home. You can see my desktop. I'm going to be using a graphics tablet that I have at home as well as my mouse. I'm recording this video in a different piece of software so that I can show you Quicken. So the first thing I need to do before I can record a video tutorial is I need to set myself up to draw. So I went to this website, gimp.org/downloads, and I downloaded GIMP for Macintosh. GIMP is also available for the PC, and Pablo recommended it to me, so I know it's going to work on the school computers. So I'm going to launch GIMP now and get ready to use it. GIMP is a piece of software that's normally used for photographs and art and stuff like that, so it's a little bit awkward for our purposes, but it's going to work. So here's GIMP. I'm going to go to File and select New to create a new image. I've been using the US letter size. Ignore that. I've been using the US letter size, which has been working out for me. So I click OK, and now I have my image. I'm going to go to View to find Zoom and go out to 100%. And then I'm going to make the window really big. Now, for this physics explanation, I want to use the diagram that the students have been looking at in their problems. So I put that on my desktop over here, and I'm going to drag it and drop it into my image. And what I've done by doing that is create two layers. I have this one layer of the image I just dropped, and then the layer of the background. So over here, I'm clicking on background so that I can draw on the background of that image. Now, when I draw, I'm going to click the pencil to draw, but the first thing I get is black and it's way too thick. So I'm going to go over here to size and go down to about 3 or 4, which turns out to be a good size for me. So that's going to look more like that. That's going to be better. Then I like to do many colors when I do my explanations. So to change colors, I need to go over here to this area where there's the black rectangle and the white rectangle. The white rectangle represents the background of this image, and the black rectangle is what I'm going to draw with. So if I click on the back rectangle, I see the different choices. Now, this started out with just one black box, and over time I have been choosing some different colors to draw with. So if I want to choose one of my colors that I've already made, I can just click on the box and then I'll be writing in purple or orange or whatever I like. If I want to choose a new color, let's say I want to write in turquoise, then I can go over here and click in the turquoise area, and that gives me a whole range of turquoises I can choose from. So let's see, do I like that one or that one? That one looks pretty good. So I'm going to click OK, and now my pen is turquoise. Right? So when I get ready to do my explanation, I'll be able to use all of these different colors. So now that I'm ready to draw, I need to get ready to record. I'm going to come down here and launch QuickTime Player. Now, QuickTime Player was on my computer when I started out. I didn't have to bring it in from anywhere. It was just there. And in QuickTime Player, I'm going to go to File. I'm going to choose New Screen Recording. So I do that, and I hope to get a dialog box. There it is. Okay, so I get this, and you see this red button. That's how I'm going to start. But to the right of that is this little arrow, and if I click on that, then it gives me some choices, and I've chosen built-in microphone, internal microphone, so that it can record my voice. So now that I've selected that, I'm going to click on the red button to get ready to start. And it gives me this here. Click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen. So I'm going to choose part of the screen that I'm going to record from, which is just going to be this much. And then I get this thing here that says Start Recording. So when I click on that, then it's going to start recording me for my tutorial. So, start. And now I'm starting recording in QuickTime. So I can come over here and make sure I have a pencil and I can write. Let's go over here and make sure I have a pencil. And now I'm writing, and physics is so fun. And so I could be, drawing the free body diagram and talking about the algebra and the physics and everything that they need to do. Then when I'm finished talking, I click Command, Control, and Escape, and I get this again. And this is their representation of my video that I just made. So I'm going to go to File and save it. And then we're going to be exporting it. I like to put things on my desktop, but you can make other choices. And it's really important to use a title that makes sense. And so I would put like the name of the problem. So I'll make this up. Let's say it was from the Giancoli book, Chapter 11, Problem 4. That way I'm going to be able to recognize this video when I see it later. I click on Save, and now that's going to be saved to my desktop. Now I can quit QuickTime Player. I can quit GIMP. I'm not going to save my drawing because that doesn't matter anymore. I've recorded it as a video. Over here, you can see this is my new video that I just made. So I'm going to get back on the internet and I'm going to go to YouTube. Now I've established an account on YouTube, so it's going to kind of recognize me when I get there. And that's really easy to do. YouTube makes this so easy. But I'm going to click on Upload. And all you have to do is drag and drop. So I get my video, I drag and drop it, and now I am uploading to YouTube. While it's uploading, it gives you, after a while, it'll tell you where it's going to go. Yeah, your video will be live at this place. So as soon as I get this, I click on it, and I go to the place where my video is going to be. And I get this and highlight it and copy it, and now I'm ready to make my hyperlink. So what I actually do is I go into the problem in WebAssign. So I use WebAssign for my physics assignments. You probably have some other place where you put information for your students. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make the hyperlink so that students can get to this video. So it's A space href =, quote, and then I paste that URL, close quote, close triangle bracket, like that. And then I'm going to write the link that the students are going to click on. So I'll say help on number 4. And then this part, triangle bracket / a triangle bracket. Then when I save that here, I can look on WebAssign, I can preview this, and you can see that code changed this into a hyperlink. So now the students can click on that and go right to the video and see the tutorial. So I hope that made sense for you, and I hope you have fun doing this.